Hey guys, welcome back to Collie's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my avocado bread. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Collie's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Collie's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CollieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is my avocado. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a fork to just go ahead and crush my avocado. Now if you guys have a potato masher at home and you want to use it, you can always go ahead and use your potato masher. Okay, we just want to ensure that the avocado there's no lumps from the avocado. So once I'm finished crushing my avocado, it's a possibility I am gonna go ahead and place this in the blender for roughly about 2 minutes because I want it to be really smooth. All right, I don't want no lumps from the avocado in my bread. All right, so now that I'm finished crushing the avocado, I'm gonna go in and add some brown sugar. Now if you guys want to go ahead and use granulated sugar, you can always go ahead and use your granulated sugar. All right, whatever you feel comfortable using, you can always go ahead and substitute. All right, I also went ahead and add 2 eggs to this, and of course we're gonna go ahead and combine everything together, and we want this, as I said earlier, to be really smooth. All right, oh my God, I'm putting all of my strength in this, but not to worry, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this because I don't want any lumps. So what I'm also gonna do is I'm also gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil. Now just a note, if you guys want to go ahead and substitute again and use butter instead of the vegetable oil, you can always go ahead and do so. Okay, you don't necessarily have to use the vegetable oil like I'm using. So I'm gonna blend this off camera and then we're gonna go ahead and prepare the dry ingredients. All right, so here I have my flour and I'm using basic counter flour for this one. If you guys have all-purpose flour at home, you can always go ahead and use your all-purpose flour, but I didn't have any. I only had the counter flour, so I'm going to use the counter flour. All right, so I'm going to go in and add my baking powder, and I will also go in and add some cinnamon powder, and I will also add some mixed spice to this. All right, I mean, if you guys have other spice at home that you want to add to your avocado bread, go ahead and do so. So once I also add some salt to this, and once I added all of that to it, my counter flour, I'm gonna go ahead and just combine everything together. All right, we always want to ensure that all of the ingredients is evenly distributed. So this is what my avocado looks like after I blend it. As you can see, it is really smooth. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add some milk to the mixture. Right, you don't necessarily have to add the milk at this stage. You can add the milk after you add the dry ingredients. All right, but I decided that, oh no, I'm gonna add it at this stage just to let you guys know. All right, because we want to be really transparent over here. So now I'm going to go in and add the dry ingredients, and as per usual, we're not going to add all of the flour at once. We're going to go ahead and add them 2 separate times. So we're going to add half now and half in a minute time or so. All right, and you always want to ensure that you mix out your flour properly, because sometimes if you don't mix it properly, then you know that you're going to have some raw flour, and we don't want that. And basically it happened to me today, so I just want you guys to be informed. As I said before, we're trying to be really transparent over on this channel. All right, I mean, sometimes you're gonna have bad days and sometimes you're gonna have good days, but that is okay. So while I'm doing this, I went ahead and preheated my oven at 250 degrees, and I'm gonna bake this for roughly about 30 minutes to 35 minutes. And also I went ahead and spray my Pyrex dish with some palm spray because we don't want our bread to stick. All right, so this is what the mixture looks like for my avocado bread. So as I said earlier, this is my Pyrex dish, so I'm going to go ahead and pour out the mixture, and then I'm going to place this in the oven, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like in a few minutes. All right, so see you guys soon. So guys, this was basically after about 35 to about 36 minutes. This is what my bread looks like. So what I did, I went ahead and just stick it with a toothpick and it came out clear. So that's an indication that your bread is ready. So we have to allow it to cool, because if you don't allow it to cool, then it's a possibility it's going to break apart, and we don't want that. All right, so I'm going to allow it to cool, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, now it's time to go ahead and slice up my avocado bread. It's all ready, cool and ready to be served. All right, so this is the final product of my avocado bread. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out at home, and remember to like, remember to subscribe and comment, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe.